Hi, my name is Gabe Andorfer, and today we're talking about form follows function, and basically what that means. So we're going to talk about this picture right here. So basically what form follows function means is the artwork that the architect or artist has designed, it has to follow its function before anything. So before they get into creative stuff, it has to serve the purpose of what that is. So for example, this bridge right here, before they go and design the bridge, they have to make sure that the bridge is working. They have to make sure that it serves its purpose, from getting train to one side of the river to the other side of the river. And to show that, to do that, they made, it looks like triangles, because triangles are apparently the strongest shape, so that's part of the function. So as they got that down, as long as they got that down, then they started to focus on more of the form of it, like the color of it, the way it is shaped, the oval shape on the top. But all in all, it has to serve the function before anything. So the form always follows the function. Now, as you can see, there is not a lot of, art in this. I mean, to some there would be, but it serves more of a function than an artwork, I would say. I think it serves more of getting transportation from point A to point B, more than seeing it as like something in a museum or going, oh, hey, that is definitely artwork. But in its own way, seeing that it is beautifully designed and it is obviously functioning as it is supposed to be, I would say this is a really good form of follows function example. Thank you. Bye.